Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn basic geometrical ideas together, step by step. Geometry begins with simple ideas. We'll meet points, lines, rays, angles, and polygons, the building blocks of every shape. A point marks a position. A line runs forever both ways. A ray starts at a point and goes one way, and a line segment is a piece with two endpoints. An angle is formed by two rays sharing a starting point. That shared point is the vertex, and the two rays are the arms of the angle. Curves can be open or closed. A polygon is a closed figure made only of straight line segments. 3 sides make a triangle, 4 a quadrilateral, 5 a pentagon. A closed figure with 6 straight sides is a hexagon. It has 6 sides, 6 vertices, and 6 angles. To recap, geometry starts with points, lines, rays, and segments. An angle is 2 rays from a vertex, and a polygon is a closed figure of straight sides. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.